Did it mean to do that? Eat this, you flea-ridden runt.
Break time's over. Time for bruises.
A trusty twig.
Take this. It's on me, little simian.
Under my watch. Was that skill?
Is it strong enough to... I'm not scared of you. I bet it is sad in there.
Hold up, did it plan that move?
Come at me.
Ooh. Hello there. Eyes on you, furball.
I'm too young to be a snack.
Why?
Ah.
Oh! Stage 5 nap achieved. Brutal. Keep that thing away from me.
Even the sign looks bored hanging next to you. Hope that mangy fur pads the damage. That's adorable. Still not waving back. Ah, finally reached the monkey zone. Show me some mischief. Aiming for the furry fella. Rear view.
Let me in! Let me in! Jump higher, cage clown. Gravity hates you. Skewer Express. No refunds. Steel dart flying. Move. Harpoon launch. Bab.
Out of my way. Almost had it. Almost. I wonder how it feels on the other side of the bars.
Chopstick, long reach, bad combo. In a flash, he was out. Found the enclosure. Now let's see some classic monkey hijinks.
Steel dart flying. Move. Ha! Missed again, pal.
That's just like my kid.